The Bank of England Governor Mark Carney laying out the dangers of a no-deal Brexit in a meeting with the UK Cabinet. Carney saying it would lead to a drop in the pound and higher tariffs and inflation. In a Daily Mail opinion piece, the governor writing the following: instead of believing it's different this time or hoping that everything will be all right on the night, the Bank of England now thinks about what could go wrong. Our job is to prepare for the worst, not hope for the best. Carl Riccadonna of Bloomberg Economics joining us now. Is this Carney in some hot water with the Brexiteers once again, Carl?
It certainly is a peculiar advice in my mind. I think there will be such an economic shock levied on the UK economy, or on any economy, if you're descending out of trade and market agreements, like would be the case with a hard Brexit scenario, that I think the last thing the economy would need at that point would be further tapping of the brake pedal through more aggressive interest rate policy. So this doesn't make sense in my mind.
Carl, it doesn't make sense to me either. And when he talks about stress tests that they conduct at the Bank of England itself has been stress tested. It had the Brexit vote. And he talked about what they may or may not do after the Brexit vote, that maybe the next move wasn't a cut, it was a hike. We saw what he did before he even had the data in front of him. He cut rates. So why would the Bank of England behave or respond any differently to a no-deal Brexit?
Right. If anything, right, given the tremendous shock from currency weakness, which would presumably result from a hard Brexit, hiking rates is kind of an emerging markets policy to stem the capital outflow, and I don't think that applies appropriately to the UK economy. So I think that would really create some uncertainty, and I don't think capital outflow will be the big problem. There's going to be so much lost economic activity. I think that's the bigger issue to contend with. And so, our UK economists published a research note earlier today saying that they effectively don't look for that type of outcome.